Let's go.
Tiny.
Oh, thank
Oh.
you.
Okay, so I'm gonna go into the arena and demonstrate for the third time.
I'm sorry, no one was tempting.
Yeah, I know it's tempting because I'm so beautiful.
I know, I'm so.
Oh, nice, you got that acculators.
Yeah.
After this, you want to break into the base. The voodoo doll from my chest? Yeah, if you want, I guess. Grinding them to it. Really, already? Oh, wow. Can't believe you found another one. I like how everything you say goes right on to YouTube. Just kidding. I was joking, D. I was joking. That's how I usually do my videos. I just talk about whatever I want. I use the weapon that I titled the video on. I'll talk about whatever I want. People tell me to talk about other things. Oh. So that's the chainsaw. It's not that bad. Should do a tiny bit of gameplay with it. It's better than like
the best weapon.
Dude, it's better. Look at. My friends are always saying like the katana is always the best, and look at my chainsaw's better than the katana. Efficiency 19, the katana's efficiency is 16. Yeah, dude, the thing is better.